Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda CRV key fob battery. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task usually takes less than 5 minutes, so let's get started right away and get your key fob working like new. Now, let's open up your key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side of the casing. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist or pry, the two halves of the key fob should separate. Take your time here to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, pay attention to how it's oriented, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pop out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click. Once it's securely closed, head to your Honda CRV and test the key fob's functionality by locking and unlocking the doors. If everything works, you're all set. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.